What Shri Aditya Thackeray ji has been saying is something that we have been repeatedly saying, that by using language as a toolkit to create divisiveness in the state of Maharashtra is extremely shameful. We have been repeatedly saying our problem is not with the language. Our problem is imposition of a language for their political gains. We have seen how BJP and their toolkit have tried to divide people on the basis of religion, on the basis of caste identities, on the basis of state versus state, and now on the basis of language. We have seen how their BJP elected MPs have spoken against Maharashtra and have made the most objectionable comments about the people of Maharashtra. Their former MPs who have earned their name and fame from Maharashtra are speaking against the people of Maharashtra, yet BJP does not act upon them. So BJP clearly shows that it is absolutely okay with doing politics over language, over state versus state, over religion and over caste identities. Maharashtra has never seen Marathas versus OBC. We saw it during BJP tenure. We haven't seen Maharashtra get into a fight with any other state. We saw it under their tenure. Now, using language as a tool to create divisiveness is anti-Maharashtra, anti-Marathi, and they're trying to isolate the state of Maharashtra from the rest of the country for their own politics.
So that is what I want to ask you, that since you are saying that it is not on the language issue, it is about the Maharashtra. So why do you think that it is getting into these kind of things? Because the similar voices, although in the other forms, are coming in from Tamil Nadu also. So how do you see this whole scenario? So is it really against any language, or is it something else?
No, our fight is very distinct from that of Tamil Nadu. In our state, we welcome people speaking in Hindi. We have Hindi newspapers. We have the Hindi film industry. We have the Hindi television industry. Everyone thriving there. We have a 12 crore population in the state of Maharashtra, out of which over 1 crore people come from other states of Maharashtra. They're peacefully coexisting with the rest of the people of Maharashtra. They do understand the respect and the dignity that every state should be given. For those for whom it is their Janam Bhumi, Karam Bhumi, as well as the Dharti Putras, Maharashtra is like a mother. And for you to humiliate the mother, how is it acceptable? So our fight is to ensure that the interests of people of Maharashtra are not undermined, their culture is not undermined, the language is not undermined, and it has been a long drawn fight, which we will continue to fight. But it is not about the language, it is that of disrespect to the language and identity of the state, which will not be tolerated.